Hello everyone and welcome to the Dashboards and Reports training tutorial. In this session, we'll guide you through the features and functionalities of the dashboard, helping you effectively manage and analyze data within the system. Each of these segments here is designed to give you the tools needed for efficient warehouse management. If you want to manage the existing dashboards and reports of warehouses, open your web browser and type www.bdwashdata.com in the address bar. The logo and title indicate that you are now on the website's homepage. To access dashboards and reports, click on the Admin Login feature located at the right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password to proceed. Once logged in, your profile picture and the website's logo will confirm that you're on the admin homepage. On the admin homepage, you'll find several menus on the left side of the page. Look for the Warehouse menu and click on it. From here, you can see 9 sub-menus, including the one we're focusing on right now, Dashboards and Reports. Pressing it will open another 6 segments: Spatial Analysis, Executive Dashboard, Preparedness and Response Planning, a Summary of Items by Warehouses, and Monthly Report. Under the Warehouse menu, Spatial Analysis refers to the process of analyzing geographic or spatial data related to warehouses and the items stored within them. On this page, you'll notice a table displaying a range of risks, categorized by colors, along with the number of districts that fall into each risk group. This spatial analysis segment allows users to map and visualize the range of risks based on the climatic hazards and location of warehouses, and analyze their distribution. By overlaying maps with additional data layers, such as flood zones or climate hazard areas, users can perform risk assessments to determine which warehouses might be vulnerable to natural disasters. If you're looking for data regarding specific items under a particular warehouse, start by selecting the Climate Hazard, Item, and Warehouse options. This will refine your search to the specific warehouse of interest. For example, I am selecting Flood Risk and Emergency Latrine Substructure from item drop-down menus, respectively, and selecting a warehouse based on my preference. Once you've made your selection, the map will display the chosen warehouse, highlighting its geographical location, the total items currently in stock and climatic vulnerability. This information is crucial for understanding the potential risks and planning accordingly. Now comes to the Executive Dashboard segment. The Executive Dashboard is a high-level overview tool designed to provide key metrics and summaries related to warehouse operations. This dashboard aggregates critical data from various warehouses, presenting it in a visually accessible format, often through charts, graphs, and tables. To operate this dashboard, you need to select your desired division, district, upazila, and ownership from the drop-down menu lists and press Load Data. For example, I am selecting Barishal from the division drop-down menu, then Barishal District from the district options, and Babuganj from the upazila list and Government from the ownership drop-down menu. Finally, pressing Load Data will provide a comprehensive overview of the selected area. You'll see a summary of the total number of warehouses in that particular upazila under your chosen ownership, the available storage capacity, the number of warehouse assistants, and the variety of item types available. The dashboard will also analyze and display key metrics graphically, such as the percentage of warehouses with active assistants, warehouses with no items in compulsory distribution, warehouses utilizing at least half of their storage capacity, and well-managed warehouses. Additionally, the dashboard provides visual insights into items categorized by type, warehouses segmented by ownership, and the shelf life status of items. The Preparedness and Response Planning feature under the Warehouse menu is designed to assist warehouse managers and administrators in planning and managing resources effectively in response to potential climate hazards and other emergencies. This preparedness and response planning has 4 key steps: Configuration, Preparedness Planning, Distribution Planning, and Report. In the first step, Configuration, you have to select the climate hazard and item from the drop-down menus. Additionally, you will select the relevant districts and warehouses by clicking on the checkboxes on the left side of each option. For example, let's select Flood Risk from the Climate Hazard drop-down menu and Wash Emergency and Hygiene Kits from the Item drop-down menu. Next, we'll choose the districts Barisal and Bola, and then select a warehouse from the available options. Then press the Next button, which will take you to the Preparedness Planning step. Here in the Preparedness Planning step, you'll need to enter the total required quantity and the required weight for each selected district. Remember, the total weight across all districts must equal either N0 or 100. For example, I'm entering 10 in the Enter Total Required Quantity box. Then assign weights to the districts. I'll enter 40 for Barisal and 60 for Bola. Once done, press Next to move to the next step. In the Distribution Planning step, you'll need to drag and drop the warehouses into each district as per your distribution plan. Once everything is in place, press Next to finalize your distribution plan, which will take you to the last step, Report. If you want to download this report, click on this Download Report button. By following these steps, you can effectively plan and manage resources to ensure timely and efficient deployment during disasters. Here is the Summary of Items segment. On this page, you can view detailed records of items, including their codes, names, unit of measurement, stock balance, and quantity due for compulsory distribution. You can filter specific items using this Filter option. Let's explore the Summary of Items by Warehouses segment. Here you can view detailed records of items by warehouse, including the warehouse reporting code, item name, unit of measurement, diming quantity, compulsory distribution quantity, and the quantity of items in stock. You can filter specific items by selecting your desired division, district, upazila, union, and other relevant details. After entering your criteria, click Filter to display the filtered data based on your search. Lastly, under the Dashboards and Reports sub-menu, you will find a Monthly Report section. Using the feature, you can generate monthly summary dashboards and reports for your desired warehouse. This is how you can access the Dashboards and Reports submenu of Bdwashdata. Thank you for watching this video.